Which is the first Rashi?
Aries.
Aries. Okay. Second, not Pranay. Next, somebody else.
Taurus.
Taurus. Very good. Yes. Third,
Gemini.
Cancer. Karka.
Leo.
yes. Sixth,
Virgo.
Virgo. Right. Seventh, Scorpio. Yes. Ninth,
Sagittarius.
10,
Capricorn.
yes.
Yes.
11th is Aquarius. And last, Pisces. So now we'll first classify this Rashis into male signs and female signs. So all odd Rashis are male signs.
Gemini.
Leo.
Leo, Libra,
Libra.
Sagittarian. Aquarium.
So what would, suppose you have got planets in male signs, maximum planets in male signs.
Aggression.
Egoistic, yes. Dominating, yes. Haughty. So high testosterone, even high sexuality. Majority planets or 3-4 planets in male signs, you will have all these symptoms, right? This is only basic. We're talking only about basic. So if there is a female and she has got more planets in Aries, so we can say she can be mannish.
Taurus, Cancer, Virgo.
Taurus, Cancer, Virgo,
Scorpio,
Eight.
Capricorn.
Scorpio. Pisces.
Pisces. Very good.
Sympathy.
Cares, worries, full of. Motherly, sensitiveness,
Creative.
cautious, moodiness. That is one. Now we come to movable signs, fixed signs, and dual signs. 1, Aries. 4, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn,
Taurus.
Taurus,
Leo.
Leo, Scorpio,
Aquarius.
Aquarius. Very good. Dual signs,
Gemini.
Virgo, Sagittarius,
Pisces.
and Pisces. So dual signs desires, more than desire, desire movement, cannot sit in one place. Multitaskers. Lack of concentration. Hurried. Yes. Yes, fantastic. Loves traveling. Motion ameliorates. Who are all remedies, who are restless, who cannot sit in one place, like Rustox. So we will generalize better by motion, cannot sit in one place, tuberculinum, phosphorus. What do you mean fixed? Fixed means what? They don't want changes, obstinate, fixed ideas, dogmatic. They don't yield to reason, who are fixed to their principles. It is typically Thuja, Medorinum, these drugs. They don't routinist, Baraitas, routinist. They don't like change. All psychotic miasm drugs. Cautious, yes. Routinist. Anxiously cautious. Now, what we are talking about negative, positive fixity means they can be. So the main rubric which I have considered under this is who are positively psychotic are perseverance. Scientists, they need to concentrate for hours together. Now, dual. Indecisive, yes. Concentrate cannot. Again, it will also come under this. What dual signs means what? They are always confused. The rubric is confused or cannot take decisions. Means whether to move or not to move is the question. Capricious, yes, fantastic. Fruitless activity or aimlessly busy. So we need indolent and we need movement. Contradiction will of yes or wills to confuse alumina like alumina. Head belongs to another. So the rubric would be childish. Will be they can adapt themselves in all type of situations. If you tell them to sit at home and work, they can work, they will be very comfortable. You tell them, okay, do a sales job, they'll be sales, they can do sales job also. So they usually jack of all, master of none. Now we go to fiery signs. Which are fiery signs? 159, that is Aries. Now fiery signs means Dharma Trikon. What? So 159 belong to Dharma Trikon or Sora. 2, that is Taurus.
Capricorn.
6, Virgo, and 10 is Capricorn. Artha Trikon is Psychosis. Then we have Calm Trikon, windy signs. Trikon are 3, Gemini. 7, Libra. So this you can say tubercular comparatively. Now this is Kama Trikon. This is related to desire, right? Moksha Trikon. It is 4, 8, 12. Syphilitic. Now all cancers occur in Moksha Trikon. Plants are the most sensitive because they cannot run. So plants are indicated in cancer cases and plants are most sensitive. So that is watery element. So that is where you find majority of watery element drugs have cancer properties. That is Moksha Trikon. Now all of you tell me about fiery. What would be the rubrics for fiery? Anger easily, dominating, egoistic, dictatorial, all synonyms related to that. Hot patient, no? You will take hot. The patient who is hot. Yes, courageousness we have taken, no? Earth element. Avarice, yes. Everything cautious, yes. Desire for talk about business. Anxiety related to money matters. Diligence, conscientiousness comes under Dharma Trikona. A businessman normally is not conscientious. So everything is related to money, related to farming, not farming exactly. Farming will come under both Artha as well as Moksha because water is also required. Water element is also required. So all minerals will come under earthy signs. Skin elements, psoriasis will come under, as far as diseases are concerned, psoriasis will come under earth element. Dryness. While metals will go under fiery element. Strong atomic weight, you will have fire. So see, these are in general, there are always exceptions, like lycopodium also can come there. But usually what we have seen is fiery element require metals, while minerals as far as Artha Trikon which is concerned, and Kama Trikon. Windy element, symptoms. Windy. Restless, yes.
Hysteria.
I-
Hysterical.
Hysterica, yes.
Artistic.
Sexuality, sensuality, attention seeking, yes. Appreciation, desire for. Frivolous, yes. Air castles making, yes. Fancies.
Fancy.
So wherever there is a show, wherever you have to exhibit, wherever you have to show artists, actors, everything which is related to Venus, we can say can come under windy signs. So Venus can be both psychotic, like one is money in Venus. So that is the Taurus element is the money part. And the Libra element of Venus is windy part. Will be taken, all symptoms will be taken under. So you have animal remedies. Animals and plants again, but mainly animals, because then you will have jealousy, you will have competitiveness, you will have possessiveness. This all will come under windy elements. Social position, veratremal. Position also becomes important. Like fire plus windy, veratremal. Yes, symptoms of moksha trikona. Detachment, perfect. Now lamenting in moksha trikona would be, it would be remorse.
Acha.
Because in lamenting you can see like Pulsatilla who is lamenting to get attention. While she is lamenting is like weeping inside, like Ignatia. Sympathetic here, lack of confidence, indifference, offended easily, yes. Silent grief, all this will come under watery, motherly. This is all everything related to mother as well as autoimmune. So the rubric when we take in watery, especially syphilis, is death desires. It is everything Ketu related. You will find. So either watery signs can be in Sora or can be in syphilis. Salvation, yes, 100%. Now I think so. Majority of you must have understood how do we classify the signs into elements as well as fixity, male, female. Now you will all tell me the characteristics of all signs. You don't have to rattofy, like you don't have to memorize anything right now. So Aries, first we come to Aries. Male, fiery, movable, and belongs to Dharma Trikona. So that is why we have a person who is dominated by Aries, or who has Aries in the first house, whose rising ascendant is Aries, who has moon in Aries, will have this characteristic, like he will be dominating, he'll be dictatorial, he wants to move always, he will be ambitious, he will be fiery. So Aries is compared to a soldier. So all characteristics which are present in a soldier will be the mind of Aries. So he would be that is why we label him as a soldier or a company commander. The only thing that planning part is less, like what I had said. So this is positive Mars. It is ruled by Mars. So Lord is Mars. So Aries dominant means you'll have a hot personality who will be fast, who will be hurried, who will be impulsive, will not sit in one place, would be ambitious, would be bold, would be courageous. He won't be able to sit in one place. So all these rubrics would be present in Aries.